Hello guys, hope you are doing good. I am back again with a GenAI based application and name of the application is MultiFile ChatBot. This is a RAG based application where user can upload a three different format of file as of now, and these format are PDF, doc and TXT. I am extending this application to accept two more format of the file, and that format of file would be OCSV and Excel. And technology wise, again, this is based on Gemini 2.0 along with 1.5 model, Langchain, Facebook, AI similarity search, vector database, and for user interface, Streamlit has I have been used. Let's go to that application demo. Reason being, I have to wrap up this video in next 10 minutes because I am using freebie version of Bandicam, and this freebie version of Bandicam allowed to capture maximum 10 minutes of video. So here is the my application divided into two parts. So left hand side you can see the menu where you have option or provision to choose two different kind of model. By default model selection is a 2.0. What kind of file as of now this application is accepting, then what is the file size that you can upload, and in the right hand side, not in the right, in the center, you can see some image. There you can see the PDF, doc, and TXT icon. Reason being, as of now, application is expecting these three format of the file. Technology wise, it's a Gemini, Langchain, Streamlit, along with Facebook. Similar t-shirts has been used. So let's directly jump to the demo. I'll upload three different format of the file. So let me click here on the browse file. You can see three different file I already kept in one of the folder. So let's upload one by one. First I would go with the txt file. So click here. Once you click on the browse file, then click on submit and process. What you have to do, wait to get the message done or message. Now this file has been uploaded successfully, and the data already stored in the vector database. So let me show you what kind of file this is. I mean, what type of information this file has. So this is the information about the Madhubani district I captured from the internet only. And one thing is I have added one line exclusive here to see whether RAG based system or chatbot is retrieving the correct content or not. So now let's directly jump to the application and chat with this application or interact with this application. So I'll say, can you describe this file with thinking? So now you can see what information about this file. It's captured in very nice and clean format here. You can see the data is here in the junk. But if I said chatbot describe, so it's retrieve the meaningful content and given the heading of each and every content. And this is the line where I have mentioned about myself. So you can see this chatbot also retrieve that information. Now we know I'll ask two more questions from this txt file with this chatbot. So the population of Madhubani as of now is this one. So I'll ask, not as of now, whatever the mention in txt file, I'm not sure about the current population. I'll ask this chatbot what is population of, and Hubani. So it's 4487379. So exactly the same number, and one more number is given here, 3501. This is the size. So I'll ask what is size or area of Madhubani. So again, the same number, right? So whatever the number mentioned in the txt file, we got the same number. So for txt file, this application or chatbot is giving the correct response. Let me upload the second file, and that is the PDF file. So it's all about my career journey. So click on the submit and process. So I'll ask again, can you summarize? Summarize promote career. We'll see. Well, so it says whatever the my career or resume. Sorry, my resume is in 5 to 6 pages, but in summary, we can get the content in 2 paragraph only. So 19 years of experience, having a 4+ year of experience in the data science tool, use Jupyter Notebook, Python Panda, predictive modeling, Gemini, AI, Langchain, etc. As experience in life science and healthcare domain, working for pharma giant for the last 9 years, blah blah. And my current designation is also given here. And then what all companies so far I have worked. Now I'll ask what is qualification qualification of qualification of promote. So hope yeah. So this chatbot has retrieved the content from my resume, what all qualification I have starting from 10th onward. And the last one is a 3 year master degree integrated in operation research and computer application from Agra University. Now I'll ask this chatbot what degree obtained by promote from Agra. We'll see what will be the output. So Pramod obtained a 3 year master degree from this. So even for the PDF, this chatbot is giving the correct response. Now let me upload the third format of the file, and that is the doc format. So let me upload this one. Then again, click on submit and process. So I'll show you what kind of this file is. Again, I have downloaded from the internet only. So it's something about the Bihar Startup Fund Trust. So I'll ask what is the full form of BSFT. So I'll ask what is full form of BFST. So Bihar Startup Fund Trust. So giving the correct information. One abbreviation is again there, BSSFF. I'll ask what is BFSSS. So BFS stands for Bihar Startup Scale of Financing Fund, blah blah. So correct information as of so far I got. So one guy's name is also here. Let me ask about this, guys. So what who is okay? So Sri Pankaj Dikshit, IS Director of Industry from Department of Industry, Government of Bihar. So same here, Director of Industry, Department of Industry, Government of Bihar. So see, the good thing is the chatbot, the way you talk to a human being, similar way you can talk to chatbot, right? So I have uploaded 3 different format of file. I got the correct response, and I said earlier I have already hosted this app chatbot on a Streamlit environment, and I'll share the link in my share chatbot application link in my LinkedIn post. Please use this chatbot and do interact with your personal data. Even some of the research paper that you want to get summarized, use this application. There are so many use cases of this RAG based chatbot you can company are using to interact with their internal data. Now, in terms of the application bias, again, it's Python IDE and VS Code has been used. Sorry, VS Code IDE and Python language has been used. And requirement, you can see what sort of library I have been used to interact or build with this application. So Langchain community, Google Generative AI, DOCX, and then Facebook, similarity search, CPU, PyPDF, Streamlit, blah, blah app.py having all the content written for this application. So importing the different library, importing the Google API, then function to interact, upload the or get data from the PDF, then Word, then TXT, then these are the storing data in vector. Then this is again conversational chain where prompt instruction is there. As of now, we can see this is the basic chatbot, and basic chatbot having a number of line of code is around 200,